Hey there, in this video we are going to I'm going to show you how you can remove the backgrounds from clip art that you've created in Midjourney or ChatGPT or Adobe Firefly, any one of the AI programs that you might use to help create your clip art. Alright, so I'm in Midjourney here, and these are just a couple different designs I did, watercolor fox. Now, to remove the backgrounds, I'm going to go to a website called MyDesigns. This is amazing, okay? When you log in, you'll have a dashboard here, and you can click on listings on the left, and you can create folders to keep things in, different clip art that you've made, whatever, so you can keep it organized. I have just uploaded these 3 fox to my basic folder. Upload, you just click upload here, upload files, and then you can bring in your clip art that you've created in Midjourney. Now if you look here, you can see that these are 1024 by 1024 and they're only 72 pixels per inch, but that's okay. We're going to fix that too. All right. So the first thing we're going to do though is we are going to make sure we have all 3 of these selected. And we're going to click on all actions up here, and we're going to go right over here to remove background. And we're going to make sure that we can see our clip art images here in this top spot here. And then we're going to leave the output to the main file area. And we're going to click remove background. And it is going to take the background off of all 3 of these images. Just give it a few minutes. They're all done already, and you can see here that the background has been removed on all of them. Now, they are still only 72 pixels per inch, and they're also 1024 by 1024, and we don't want that. We want them to be 3600 by 3600, 300 pixels per inch. So what we're going to do is, while we still have all 3 of these selected, we're going to click on old canvas here at the top. We are going to change our aspect ratio, our canvas size, 3600 by 3600. And we're going to select the main file because that is the one that we already removed the background from. And right up here on this top, you'll see some little menu items. We are going to click on Fit Vertical. We'll do Fit Vertical. And then we will click on Sync down here at the bottom. And that will make sure that it syncs to the other 2 designs that we have done. And you can scroll through to make sure they're all right. Then down here, you're going to make sure you have PNG selected, and you're going to click Apply. And again, this is going to take just a couple minutes for it to process. Now they are all done. We're going to look at that, and now if you see, you click on the last file we generated, and it says 3600 by 3600 at 300 pixels per inch. So that is exactly what we want. So now what we will do is, while we have all 3 of them selected still, we'll click on all actions, download as a zip, and we only want to download this one. Mine says straight design, but it just depends on what file you saved it to when you enlarged it on the canvas. All right. So now we're going to download zip, and we're going to save this to our work in progress. So we're going to do watercolor test for the file name. I'm going to go down here to my work in progress, find that file, unzip it, and now we have 3 images in here that are 3600 by 3600, which is basically a 12 by 12 inch image at 300 pixels per inch. Exactly what you want to use in designs. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run over here to Canva real quick, and I am going to drag these 3 into Canva so you can see what a good job this program does of removing the background. Watercolors are sometimes a little finicky, but you can see here, let me just move these around so they'll all fit on this black background that I have here. All right, and you can see that these have the background removed very well. That out of the way. Zoom in here so you can see better. Look at those edges. They are super clean. And now these files are ready for you to zip up and sell them on Etsy, sell them on your own website, however you want to do it. But you have now figured out a way to cut down your time significantly by using MyDesigns to remove the background and to resize these Clipart files that you're creating to the right size and the right pixels per inch. All right, so I hope you guys found that helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, and I have a link to MyDesigns in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time.